Hi, welcome back to Hancom Office Row 2014. If possible, we have discovered about in the basic C++ compiler theory, which has to be followed like that. The main things we followed about in the following major things. Now let's check about the following identification. What do we understand about from the type conversion of casting? One of the most common things we followed about in the conversion casting of the types when we instruct the constructor of the C++ compiler, which is going to be used to determine and to declare the identifier of the variables, which might follow on the following interpretations. Let us try in the variable initialization and declaration. Let's try the variables each other together. When we go to the type conversion of casting, when a value of one data type is automatically changed to another data type, an implicit type question is said to have occurred. As the examples in the preceding section illustrate, if you're not careful about data types, implicit type question can generate unexpected results. When we avoid to the C++ provides for explicitly the use of cast operator like that, static cast, data type names, or expression. Examples of static cast with the data type names and their expressions. Starting with the expression, the static cast int is 8.9, right? To evaluate into integer, it's given integer, change to 8. Static cast to the integer is 7.5. Change to the integer must be 7. Static cast to the double is 9. Change to the data type double, which is named 9.0. Just like the following to cast the fourth type. For example, we check about in the C++ compiler theory, like in the using of the C++. Starting with the include iOS stream is the import statement in C++. And using namespace like that, you can check the static casts. Static cast is the reserved word keyword in C++ when we want to convert from the integers, as we said it like this. For the first time, let's check it like that. What we see in the here with the C out here, you can check it the following here with the statistics. You check it here with the to identify the variables which is given, to cast and to force the type conversion. When we run it, let's run it now. Starting with the main function, you check it like that. This is the sample run. We have run this program. When we run it like that, you followed this. The main thing is like such an example this. Notice that in C++, the cast operator can also take the form data type expression. This form is called C-like casting. For example, the double 5, which equals to 5.0, and integer 7.6, which equals to 17. However, static cast is more stable than C-like casting.